Okay, I want to show you guys the power of this carpet stain remover. I love it. Usually for stains or marks, I try to use my Norwex Envirocloth first. And if that doesn't work, I go to the stain remover. So let's go ahead and look at the stain, and then I'll tell you about the stain remover as we let it sit on there. So I usually go with just my damp Envirocloth and try to remove a stain from the surface, just the cloth. And a lot of times the cloth by itself works, but in this case it doesn't. So I'm going to take my carpet stain remover and just spray it on those spots. There's a couple right over here as well. And you just want to saturate the area just to make sure that you get the stain remover on all parts. Just like that. And that's why I like to use the foaming nozzle here. If you just want the sprayer, you can open it up, but I like to use the foaming nozzle for it. So the carpet stain remover is awesome because it removes tough carpet stains, like anything to do with pets or foods, beverages, organic waste. You can use it on upholstery as well. And it's enzyme powered cleaning, so you're not cleaning with anything that is like a harsh chemical. It's completely biodegradable, and there's no chlorine, ammonia, synthetic fragrances, dyes, SLS, SLES, phthalates, any of those bad things, ingredients in the carpet stain remover, and it works really well. So you just saturate the area, and you usually wait 5 to 10 minutes and then blot it with a microfiber cloth. That's why I like to use my Envirocloth, because it's super powerful and can get down into all those fibers of the carpet. And I always recommend testing on an inconspicuous area first. If you have a tough stain, then you might want to try and do multiple applications in order to make sure that you can fully get rid of it. But I have found that the stains do not come back. So it actually completely cleans up the stains, and you're not having more stains coming back to the surface at a later time, making you think that it was clean, but it's actually not. Excuse me. All right. So I do want to kind of get all the areas that I touched with this. And generally, especially with certain stains, you don't want to do a lot of rubbing. You definitely want to blot stains up. But this is not a deep fibered carpet, so that's why I'm doing a little more rubbing with it. Plus, bring it right up. And you can see that it has removed all of those stains that we had here. And even without it being dry yet, you can see how nice it looks compared to when we first started. So I highly recommend getting the carpet stain remover for your house. Don't wait to order it now. You can go to createahealthyhome.biz and order it, so that way you have it as soon as you have that stain, instead of letting that stain sit there while you wait for it to come to you. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact me. Otherwise, I'll talk to you later. Bye.